Another car, another day, and now we have this Tesla YL here at LA Car Accessories, and we are installing our Nano-Tech ceramic film in charcoal neutral shade on the windshield, second row, rear, and sunroof. By the way, this charcoal neutral has metallized construction, sophisticated look, blocks 99% of harmful UV rays, and this is a scratch resistant. Especially now that summer here in the Philippines brings extreme heat, having quality tint is very important, not only to protect our skin from harmful UV rays but also to help protect the vehicle's interior from damage like fading, cracking, and excessive heat build-up. And our Nano-Tech ceramic film helps reduce heat inside the cabin while still maintaining a clean and classy visibility from the inside. It gives you a more comfortable driving experience, especially during the long drives under the hot sun. So if you want added comfort, protection, and a more premium look for your vehicle, visit us here at LA Car Accessories because we make every ride cooler, safer, and more comfortable.